I just over and don't press the button. I just. Oh my god, it's a bomb. Bomb! Let's go. Need some shirt. Oh my god, you missed your shirt. Hey, no, this must be quiet. Oh, this must be quiet. Oh, good. Oh. Okay. I'm yellow. This one's yellow. If anyone doesn't know, if anyone need some nice shirt, bacon. You got some nice shirt, bacon. Yeah, I'll take it. Right, yeah. Wait. Anybody want this? Oh, you want a shirt? There you go. I got you a shirt. You're doing nothing. Oh, you want some shirt? Want some shirt? Some shirt? Yeah, you're sure about shirt. What? It's just the one. Oh, wait. Wait. What? No. Oh my. You're on New Year. Oh my god! What? Oh, what? I'm gonna be the boss. Casa best. Casa boss. Casa the best. Casa boss. Casa boss. Casa the boss. Casa the boss. Casa the boss. I'm the beast. I'm the best. I'm the beast. I'm the top. What? Okay. Let's go! Not king. Now everyone has to face the fear. Oh Alright. Everyone watch something. I've got a big surprise. Sure. I'm just joking. Wow! Stop setting yourself! What? Can I do that to myself? No? Alright, okay. Give me some shirt. Yep, got some shirt on. Wow, I was okay. I need that coin. What? I'm gonna run away from them. Run! No. Is that the zombie? Yeah! People zombie! Let's see what I can buy in the shop. Nope. Special item? Nope. Nope. Yep, I can buy any one of them. Oh my god. Let's go! I survived! And you need some punishment. No, that's not your punishment. What is that sound? No! Wait, I wonder if Body can get a shirt. Body! Body! Oh! Now I need some rest. Wait, where's the pines? What? No! get there first. Let's be quiet. Of course. Of course I'm skipping. Oh yeah. Come here for sure. And this. Nobody survived. Oh man. Whatever. I'm just gonna get this back. Oh, that's my damn it! Please, maybe that. The game begins. Okay. I'm up here. Ooh! Lucky. That again? Ooh! Oh my god! I need to take a deep breath. What? Okay. No! How? I'm the one who's supposed to survive. I'm trying to get this guns with James. Hey, Devil. Was it just the 4 boys? Yep, I didn't die. No, you didn't die. Okay, I can die. What? Okay. What? That's okay, good. But faster. Hey. Yeah. There's a good. There's something. Why is everyone going to the yellow? No! You got to be kidding me. Yep. You're gonna wear the shirt. Yep, and then. Oh, stop hitting yourself. I'm gonna be the first one to win the game. Let's go! You losers, I'm the winner. Yeah. Today I'm gonna give you a shirt. Yep, you need a shirt. Come on, you guys need a shirt. 2 people win the year. Where's the coins? Oh no. Oh my gosh. Let me get this. Trivia question? Okay, what's this? What's 10 plus 10? 20! What do you think? Alright, what's the next question? Oh, that's it. If anyone gets it wrong, then they're dumber than 12th grade. What's this? What? 10? That? No! I'm recording. Wait. No, I didn't. No, time! I just said, if we can afford anything. No, I can. Just, and that's it. Oh. Press the button. Which was mine? I just wait for one people to die. For only one people. That's a strategy. I just collect these coins. Ooh. You really want to die? Huh? Yep, we won. Definitely. No, that's my coin. I mean, diamond.
Cannot put inside, you cannot put inside wall master room, cannot put here. You wash already?
No?
No, after you now want go to wash?
God.
Go already? Eaten already you go
Huh?
Eaten okay you go
I what? I don't know.
Bathroom. You want the bath?
It's done showering first.
Okay. Oh, you
Wait.
Yes. Okay. Maybe.
Yep, you got a shirt. Yep. I got the shirt. What? So I just chill here. Nothing's happening. Yep, guys, we're chilling. Yep, we're chilling. Guys, look. Guys, we're literally chilling. Yep. We just chilled so much that we survived. Right. Let's see if I can buy anything. No. Nope, it cost 200. Okay. Think I should have a speed coil. You better not have to speed coil, or else I might get mad. But if the speed coil doesn't help him well, then I think it's the best. I knew it was a lie. I just kinda got the man. Can I give you a shirt? No? Hey, come here. What is that sound? I gave you a shirt! Not everyone's wondering why he got different shirts. But well, stop. Yes. Why is your face like that? No! Not this one again. Technology! You know what technology is, right? Alright, this is too easy. I can definitely beat this. I can literally beat this while walking. I don't need to jump, bro. Yep, I can beat this while walking. Yep, I'm a pro. I don't even have fears. Look, it wants me to be not a pro. It made me jump. That one person died. Oh my god, that one person is a noob. He just died. That was like, what? That one person's like, what? Like that. I'm sorry, man. I mean, her. I got this. This is the right way. Or else I might get it. I hope this is not dead end. Oh, diamond! Let's go! I know this matters. Yep, I'm the best.
In survival, Chloe.
Hmm?
In survival.
What's survival?
Survival or creative?
No, I'm not playing Minecraft.
So why did you say diamonds?
I mean, you have to collect the diamond in the maze. The Roblox maze. Oi! I think don't press the button, got a new game. No, look, I'm